started in 2019. They were catching a gun and a poacher every week on average when we started, and a motorbike. And today, we count maybe 3 poaching incidents a year. And this protected area is investing
arisen because people took risks, they tried things, it's had bad impacts, and they just kind of went, well, nothing we can do about it now.
What I'm here to tell you about is that Connie's family know how much Connie loved the continent, how much she loved being in Africa, and they've decided now that they're going to fundraise and endow the Student Leader Award. So it won't be called the AISA Award, Student Service Leader Award anymore. It will be called the Connie Buford Student Service Leader Award.
Inspired by the closing ceremony of the Olympic Games, and usually you're handing over like the Olympic fire, but we are handing over this shovel thingy and to bury carbon. So applause for our delegates from Ghana.